Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Sendinblue affiliate tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Sendinblue account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the affiliate program section in the main menu. Click on affiliate tracking. Here, you will see your current tracking settings. To update your tracking code, click on the edit button. Copy your new tracking code from the source you want to use. Paste the new code into the provided input field. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Save your changes by clicking the Save button. Next, test your updated tracking code. Open a new browser tab and visit your affiliate link. Make a test purchase or conversion to verify the tracking. Return to your Sendinblue dashboard. Check the analytics to confirm that the tracking is functioning. Ensure all links are directing to the correct pages. If any issues arise, consult the troubleshooting section. You have successfully updated your Sendinblue affiliate tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.